Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to Principles of Management class. And in Principles of Management class, we were in the second chapter, Principles Planning and Decision Making. And in today's class, we shall discuss about individual versus group decision making. That is, we are going to study individual decision making as well as group decision making. Before we could start off with individual and group decision making, let us look at what has been discussed in the previous session. And in the previous session, we have discussed meaning of decision making process. And the learning objective of this session is the students will be having the knowledge of techniques of decision making in the organization. And coming to today's topic, individual versus group decision making. Before we could go for comparison, let us discuss about what is individual decision making. Individual decisions are taken by a single individual. As the name itself suggests, individual. Individual means a single person or sole person. When the decisions are taken by a single person or individual person, such decisions are called as individual decisions. And individual decision making is prevalent in India, and such decisions are owned by a single individual. So, as we know that the decisions are taken by a single individual, and wherever the business is owned by a single person, such decisions are taken by the owner or the single person himself. And under individual decision making, it is difficult for individual to make best decision. Why is it difficult for the individual to make the best decision? Because he cannot consult anybody, and whatever the decisions are taken by the individual, they may go wrong. So that's the reason we usually imagine that the decisions taken by the individuals are very difficult. Then needs specialized people. So individual decision making, as we know that best decisions cannot be taken under individual decision making. To take the decisions, specialized people are necessary. Group decision making. Meaning of group decision making. Group decisions are taken by individuals who are identified as a group for making a decision. So, when group of people or more than one persons take the decisions in the organizations, such decisions are called as group decisions. And as the name itself suggests, group, the decisions are taken by group of people who are identified by the organization for taking such or making such decisions. So, in group decision making, there will be a greater participation by the identified personnel, and group decisions are treated as effective decisions since such decisions are being taken after consulting all the group members. And one of the disadvantage of such decision making is the decision making may be delayed since each and every person of the group for taking the decision need to be consulted before deciding. So there will be a delay in decision making. And under group decision making, the members of the group may lack responsibility for taking the decision. Group decision making techniques. There are various types of techniques used for group decision making. Those are, first one, Delphi technique, nominal group technique, brainstorming technique, dialectic decision methods, decision tree methods, meetings, consensus mapping. So these are the group decision making techniques. And in today's class, we have discussed regarding individual decision making and group decision making and various techniques used for group decision making. Coming to the multiple choice questions, the first multiple choice question, which is not a technique of group decision making? Is it Delphi technique, nominal group technique, dialectic decision methods, and brain tumor techniques? So, brain tumor technique, it is not a technique of group decision making. MCQ 2. Individual decisions making includes dash. Options are: individual decisions are taken by a single individual, owned by a single individual, needs specialized people, all the above. The right answer is all the above. Third MCQ, group decision making includes dash. Is it greater participation, more effective decisions, delay in decision making? All of the above. Answer is all of the above. That is, group decision making includes greater participation of personnel, it's more effective way of decision making, and group decision making is delay in decision making. MCQ 4. Dash is the graphical depiction of all the possibilities or outcomes to solve a specific issue or avail a potential opportunity. Is it decision tree? Is it brainstorming? Is it Delphi or nominal group? The answer is decision tree is the graphical depiction of all the possibilities or outcomes to solve a specific issue or avail a potential opportunity. MCQ 5. A process in which a group of individuals generate and state ideas, but in which the rules prohibit questioning, evaluating, or rejecting any ideas, even if they seem ridiculous, is called Delphi technique, brainstorming, nominal group technique, or bounded rationality. The right answer is brainstorming. It is the process in which a group of individuals generate and state ideas, but in which the rules prohibit questioning, evaluating, or rejecting any idea, even if they seem ridiculous. So, for further references, you can follow Prasad LM and Coach O'Donnell of Principles of Management book. Thank you, dear students. Meet you in the next class.